Meaning of damn it.
Damn it.
Damn it.
Damn it.
Damn it. Damn it is an exclamation that is commonly used to express frustration, anger, disappointment, or annoyance. It is considered a profanity and is generally not appropriate for formal settings. When someone says damn it, they are likely feeling a strong negative emotion about something that has happened or something that they have done. It can be a way to release tension or express dissatisfaction with a situation. In summary, damn it is a colloquial phrase used to convey strong negative emotions, typically in response to an undesired outcome.